Welcome back. I'm back with a critical update. I focused a lot in my previous videos on Westmoreland and Hanover, but today we need to talk about the devastation in St. Elizabeth, especially the life of one mother whose story is a painful example of the crisis families are still facing. Natanya Loy McDonald is a strong single mother of 4 beautiful children living in the Shoesberry District, Fyffes Pen, St. Elizabeth. Just weeks ago, Natanya lost everything to Hurricane Melissa. Her home was not just damaged, it was entirely destroyed by the storm. It was flattened. They managed to survive, but when the wind subsided, they were left with nothing but the clothes on their backs. I want to give a special thank you to Rayndo Rowe, a dedicated subscriber who sent me these vital photos and shared Natanya's story with me. Right now, Natanya and her 4 children are safely staying with a friend. We are incredibly grateful for that temporary refuge, but the clock is ticking. They have been given a deadline. They must find a new permanent place to relocate by the end of January. I want to be clear about their immediate situation. They have managed to secure enough food and water to last them for a bit, which is a blessing, but that is only temporary relief. What they need right now, more than anything else, is a home. Natanya needs a safe, secure place of her own where she can raise her 4 children without the stress of being constantly uprooted. The thoughts of being homeless again is unbearable. If you are able to help with providing a new rental property or assist with traditional rebuilding, all support is needed. We are also exploring container homes as a fast, secure solution. If anyone watching has the resources or contacts to help secure one of those modified shipping containers for Natanya, it would provide a permanent foundation for her family. If you're watching this and feel moved to support Natanya and her children, we are asking for help in these specific ways: monetary support to help her secure a deposit or begin rebuilding, housing assistance, whether that's a rental property, help with building materials, or even assisting with the container home option. And you can also send basic food supplies, although the housing need is our #1 priority. Natanya is prepared to speak directly to anyone who wants to help. You can contact Natanya Loy McDonald directly to coordinate assistance at this phone number. Please call only if you are serious about offering help or support. The number is 876, that's 1-876-580-0919. I'll also leave her information in my description. Finally, I want to say thank you in advance for your support and compassion for Natanya and her children. And if you're in any of the affected areas and you have a story you'd like me to feature for support on my channel, please feel free to reach out to me directly on Instagram. Speaking of getting help to our family and friends back home, I have to tell you about this game-changing app I recently discovered. It's called Grocery List JA. If you're watching this from overseas and want to send support directly, this app makes it incredibly easy. You can order groceries, meat, even cooking gas or supplies from a hardware store for a family member, a friend, or someone in need like Natanya, all from your phone anywhere in the world. They have everything: wholesale shopping, farm supplies, and yes, even bill payment services. It's secure, simple, and the fastest way to get real goods delivered right to a family member's doorstep in Jamaica. To check it out and start sending essential support, I've put the link to download the app right in my description box below. I've also pinned that link as the very first comment. Download Grocery List JA today and support your loved ones. Welcome back to my vlog about how I moved back to Jamaica. So today I'm not at home, guys. I'm actually going to spend the day over at this new hotel in Hanover. If you're from Jamaica, you know it, the new Princess Hotel, which is located in Green Island, Hanover. I believe is marketed as being part of Negril, but this is not in Negril, guys. This is Green Island, Hanover. My sister is actually staying here for a few days to celebrate her anniversary, but I'm only going to be here for the day. Came over on a day pass, which you still do have to pay for. All of that was covered by my sister, of course. She invited me over to come spend the day with her, which I was completely grateful because God knows I needed time to have a little bit of fun. This trip for me to Jamaica was not about having fun. After the funeral was done, I had to stay back to assist with some family obligations without going into too much details. My sister, hi. So right here, we're on our way to my sister's room. And as you can see here, they have a nice little gift shop. Come to think of it, we didn't even go to take a look inside the gift shop. And this here is my sister's room. Let me give you guys a quick little room tour. As you can see, they have a nice little tub here. They didn't go inside the bathroom, but they have a walk-in shower, TV, a nice lounge area. It looks pretty good in here. Nice, simple and chic looking modern furnitures. And look at the view, guys. Oh my gosh, this view is stunning. Let me just say, this hotel is huge. They have like 2 different hotels in one. They have a family section and a couples only section. I believe if you're staying on the couples side, you are able to go on the family section without paying any extra. If you're staying on the family section of the hotel, then you would have to pay extra to go visit the couples section. So I believe the couples section is more expensive. And here we are on our way back downstairs in the elevator, of course. Quick bathing suit and outfit check. Yeah, before we went for our swim, we decided we needed to get some lunch because I didn't eat before I left home. But why would I when I'm going to an all-inclusive hotel? So this is us walking over to the family section of the hotel. We're trying to go find the food truck, and we were being escorted by Fidador, one of the hotel employees.
Oh, so she has a YouTube page.
And here my sister is trying to force me to tell Fidador about my YouTube channel.
What's your name?
My name? Theodore.
Fidador.
Yes.
Alright, say hi to
Nice to
Fidador.
meet you, right? What's your
Yeah,
name?
same here. Nicole.
And you can follow her on
YouTube, Lilmsnikii.
Lilmsniki.
Yeah,
Alright, no problem. So you walk here?
yeah.
So walk here.
And that. Alright,
Thank
you.
Well,
Alright, Fidador. Bye.
Guys, I'm actually still getting used to the idea of even having a YouTube channel. So a lot of times I don't even tell anybody. And sometimes when you do, people end up acting weird. So sometimes I just don't say anything. But this is over by the family section. We were actually just chilling here, waiting for the food truck to be ready.
Many times I shine away my spirit, but it didn't not be alright. Before you plot against me, just know I prayed against it. Think twice. I swear my heart's supposed to be no gummy, I talking spice.
And this is what we got for lunch. We had a burger and jerk chicken. Jerk chicken actually tasted really good. And a little bit after we ate, we decided to go take a dip in the pool. We actually went back over to the couples section, and this is where we went for a swim.
Could've walked, come on, let me shoes when you see me come correct to see better chat nice. Circle stay tight, no room for disguise. Chop, chop, I did chop all night. I look back at all and I'm all summarized. Stepping clean, baby, with the headline. Stepping clean, baby, with the headline. Chop, chop, I did chop on. Chop, chop, I did chop on, chop on.
Really nice. We ended up being out here for hours. I think it was at least 2 hours we were out here for, or more. 2 to 3 hours chilling, chatting. There's also I didn't capture that part, but there's also a jacuzzi. We were out here till we realized that there was a jacuzzi, and we went into the jacuzzi. We were there for about maybe another half an hour.
Chop on, chop, chop, I did chop on, chop on, chop, chop, I did chop all night. I make us so deep, 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 so the things you just can't see. Now some brothers see the game, I know it's sad, I can't bring them home with me. Mama tears on the phone line, heavy in my chest, it hurt when I hear her weep. Dreams feel so distant when the nights get cold and the nigga really
Most of our day was spent out here at the pool. Right here, we're back at the room. We're done swimming for the day. Decided we needed to have something to eat for dinner. And we got more jerk chicken again and potatoes, crushed potatoes, and a salad. And this was even better than the jerk chicken we had before. Yeah, the food was pretty decent. And we ended up having our food out on the balcony overlooking the pool. And this is 2 weeks later. We're now in August. Yeah, it's been like 2 months now since I've been in Jamaica. Oh my god. And this right here, I'm actually assembling some stools that I ordered online from my mom's shop. Yeah, I don't think I've ever mentioned this before, but my mom has been a small business owner in Jamaica for a while now. Yeah, so right now I'm just assembling these chairs. I got some stools. Like these are bar stools. I got about 6 of them. 2 of them have like back support and the other 4 didn't. They're actually really cute. I really like them. them, and I got them in the color of the counter. I tried to make sure they were matching with the countertop, like the material of the countertop in the shop. I'm actually fitting these up in my bedroom. So this is my mom's shop, and here she is complaining about me always taking pictures. Like, yeah, I have a YouTube channel. What do you expect? It's part of the business. Just realized that I didn't show it. So this section, I actually, a few years ago, I helped my mom to expand the shop over to that section there that you're seeing. That section is fairly new. Actually, I did this before I even moved to Canada, come to think of it. But the whole time, my mom didn't do anything with this section over here. I wish I had footage to show you what it looks like before it looked like this, because it's since I came down, I reorganized the place. I cleaned up this section and rearrange stuff. I ordered some shelves online so I can stock these liquor on the shelves. Right now it's like a makeshift shelf that we just put up so that they're not like directly on the floor. And that's one of the shelves there in the corner that I didn't fit up as yet. So I'm actually going to organize it or set it up like a convenience store kind of setting where people can come in and walk in, cup what they want, and just pay for it at the counter. And those are some of the stools that we had previously. I believe she still have them, but now I ordered some new ones, which is going to help to give the space a mini facelift. And I also ordered some sensor lights to put under the counter, which will be pretty helpful. I didn't get those yet though. And this is a few days later. This is what I'm having for dinner.
My Sunday dinner.
It's curry chicken and rice and peas with steamed veg and a piece of hair avocado. If you've never tried a Jamaican avocado, you're missing out.
Boy, can't get no paraffin. And soursop juice.
This is June up in the tree. June is a young lady that would normally help my mom in and around the shop and around the yard. Right now she's in the tree picking mangoes. I did not send her up there, guys.
I take evidence because I did not send her up there. I did not send her up there. Try up in a tree.
But even though I didn't send her up there, I'm absolutely grateful for the mangoes that she went up there and picked. It's really good when you have fruit trees and stuff like that in your backyard. For you to buy fruits in Jamaica, it's really expensive. I remember a few days prior to this, I went to the supermarket to go pick up some stuff, and I went to go get some fruit. And when I saw how much they were selling them fruits for, I took my little time and put them back on the shelf, because I was like, no way I'm paying this much for this little bit of fruits. If I'm supposed to compare, that's one of the things I would say about living abroad versus living in Jamaica is the cost of food in Canada or America is way cheaper than what you would send for food in Jamaica. If you can grow your own stuff, it will work out even better for you, which I don't understand why a lot of people aren't doing that.
I have nice one. Bird eat out that one there.
So these are the mangoes right here. You have one little bird mouth one right there. And that's all the mangoes that I got off the tree. That was just in one picking, guys. And trust me, this is what I did for most of my time here in Jamaica to make up for my fruit intake. I literally would just go outside every morning and search to see if any mangoes fall off the tree. Alright, well, this is it for this video, and please turn on your notifications so you get notified when there's a new upload, because most of you, according to my analytics, do not have your notifications turned on. Catch you in my next Jamaica upload.